In today's video, we are asking Swedes what do they think about United Kingdom.
Okay, I actually have a friend from UK who I met in Spain when I used to live there, and she's very funny and always joking, and she's always talking, and she's so polite and so nice towards everybody. So that's the kind of opinion I have now about everybody who's from England. But yeah, so that's what I have to say about England, English people.
And UK people, I love their sense of humor, but they have to be kind of funny in order to make people forget about what they did in the past with colonialism. So
UK.
Yeah.
I mean, if I would describe a British person, I would say that they go to an Irish pub, drink something, go home, order an Indian takeaway,
Yeah.
and sit on like Swedish IKEA furniture.
Yeah.
That's a British person.
Yeah, I have few friends from the UK who I chat with regularly and stuff, and they're very nice. Like we talk a bit about the differences between our countries and stuff. But I mean, they culturally, since we're both European countries, there seem to be a lot of similarities too. Uh, yeah.
The United Kingdom is geographically in Europe, but mentally it is in the Atlantic Ocean. The United Kingdom wishes it was an island off the coast of New York and not an island off the coast of France.
The sports in the UK is very good, and they are very talented.
The UK, yeah. Well, I have UK heritage from Scotland, so I'm a big fan of the UK. It's pretty similar with like, heritage. The politics and stuff is quite similar to Sweden, but I would say Sweden is still better. And the UK, nice, friendly people most of the time, but still some bastards.
UK is a shithole, but it has its nice parts, and I like it because it's a shithole.
I've only been in London in the UK. Yeah, I like London. Only it's a bit too many people in the same place for me. I like the multicultural part. I've been to like Whitechapel. Whitechapel is a place there a lot of Indian people live. I've been there eating with people. Yeah, getting to know people there, talking for 2 hours outside of the mosque. Went into the mosque, got to freak around. So I like it. Yeah, I like it there. I like the multicultural feeling. I also have the multicultural feeling here, but less.
The UK, I like the UK. I love the UK. At least like musically, culturally, I have a lot of. I think all my favorite bands in the UK, as well as I don't know. They tend to have interesting foods though in all of those goddamn countries.
I like the music in UK. I listen to a lot of electronic music from the UK. They have a great music scene.
The UK, the eternal enemy of Germany, and friends with the Swedish, so I don't really know what to think about them. If you would... Fuck you for leaving the EU, and also burning down Germany, that's all I want to say.
UK. Well, I don't know what to say. They make very good films, thrillers, and I think movies and thrillers. I think many actors from UK is very good, are very good.
United Kingdom have a very lovely queen.
Oh.
Yes, she's so nice, and I love her very much.
What will you say about it? Because he loves the Queen. Aren't you so beautiful than him?
And he loves the Swedish queen
They
as well.
Yeah. I think it's a good family. It's good.
You don't know.
Yeah. But
You
I
don't.
think it's.
You know them?
the crown is very important for all of us.
I like UK more than USA because it's a European country. It's a bit sad that they left the EU. Yeah, because they're very important countries in Europe, but it's a cool country. I respect them. I like their accents. It's cool. Yeah.
UK. I've been there once, but I didn't see much. Like London is fine, yes. It's a lot of people. I don't like it. Big cities that much.
The weather is shitty like here in Gothenburg. So it's insane area about that. But political, well, they are much for the rich, not for the poor. It's like that in UK, I've seen. They don't give a damn about the poor for the most time. But I like what that they support Ukraine. That I like. They support them hard. That I like. And they don't spare in words. They say what they mean. This is good about UK.
Yeah, I don't want to like think about what I think about the politics, but maybe he's kind of, I don't know, like it's very like, oh, it's so different from Sweden. Like I saw a YouTube video about the UK politics, like when the judge, the judge and like everything like that, everybody's screaming and stuff like that. In Sweden, people are like, yeah, let's begin. It's kind of more like, rough in like the politics section. Yeah, I'm not really into politics. I don't know really much, but yeah, it's kind of rainy. UK. That's like what I think, and yeah, beautiful accents.
I think the UK has this like a mentality that is a bit globalistic. They're patriotic, but still out there. Like they've been around.
I feel like in the UK, I feel like it's much similar to Sweden. Kind of depressing in winter and beautiful in summer.
Yeah, like the UK, like when I went to London for a vacation one time, I thought everyone was so nice and like I really enjoyed their culture there. But I've heard from people living there, like they think they're so much nicer in America for some reason. They're like, oh yeah, they're so nice and polite in America and like everything is better there. But I thought like they were pretty good at that, so that's some insights I got from there too.
That was all from today's video, and we hope that you guys really enjoyed it. And if you want to listen more street interviews, or if there is anything else which you guys want us to make videos about, just write in the comment section and just let us know so we can also work for that as well. To watch more related videos, you can surely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Until then, goodbye.